YouTube, welcome back to AJ's Garage. Thanks for tuning in. It's been quite some time since I posted anything, so this is just going to be a little update video and plans for the truck in the near future. It's exciting to see that I have over 40 subscribers now. Thank you guys for watching and showing your interest in the channel. We're going to start off here with plans for the engine bay. So wiring in here is kind of a mess. When they swapped in the engine here, they just kind of spliced into things. So hopefully I can get that kind of cleaned up. Also thinking about possibly pulling the engine out. New intake, new carb, pulling the oil pan just to take a look at the crank and see how it looks in there. But moving on from the engine, I want to address some of the rust issues. Just have a few that I'm aware of right now, at least visible. The most significant one is the passenger floor pan. So it's gone through, and it seems like it's just about from this point over to my right here. The rest of the floor pan seems pretty solid, and up here as well. The kick panel, need to patch that up as well. There is a hole here in the transmission tunnel, and then as we go back around here, the truck is a camper special, so it originally came with two tanks. The one that's in the cab behind the seat there, and then one under the frame in the bed right about there. So that, I'm assuming, is from where they patched the little hump that goes there. I'll insert a picture so you guys can see what that looked like. The previous owner used this truck to haul lumber, so I'm assuming he took that off just to make more room. Taking a closer look at it here, you can see the existing holes that were used to screw that piece in there. There's also the ones here, up there barely hidden, and then over here on the back. So it looks like they cut that piece off, put these plates right over, just kind of tacked them in. Same thing with this one. So plan is to grind these pieces off, clean this up, primer it up until I can replicate that piece there, because I do want to put a gas tank under the frame like the original, like it came from the factory. And here's a better view from underneath the truck. The driver's side floor pan, no real rust. I do want to pop this off and just kind of make it flush. There's that hole in the transmission tunnel again, and this hole here, not quite sure what that was originally for, but I'm gonna patch that as well. But once that's in, plan is to clean up the inside of the cab, primer it, paint it, possibly put some bed liner in, for sure some sound deadening, just so it's a little bit quieter of a ride. I also want to remove the mat back here just to see how it looks back there, clean that up as well. Want to remove the steering wheel. It's got some cracks in it, so I've seen a video on getting a Dremel tool and kind of grinding that down and just using epoxy to get in those cracks and smooth it all out. But besides that, nothing major. I do want to redo the exhaust, but I would say the bodywork and then the auxiliary gas tank are my main plans for the next few months. So thank you for watching, and see you soon.